How to fix your account cannot be created at this time Apple ID issue. If you're encountering like your account cannot be created at this time error when trying to create an Apple ID on your iPhone or iPad, then this video is a cert guide for you. First of all, ensure you have a stable internet connection. If the connection is weak or unstable, try switching networks or restarting your router. Once you check that, the next step you need to follow is simply open any browser you have on your device. Once you open your browser, on the searching bar, search for appleid.apple.com. Then wait for a few seconds. Then you'll encounter this page. Now scroll down a little bit. There you'll see sign in option. Simply tap on that. Then create your account from this page and then your issue will be solved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.